Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to block someone on LinkedIn without them knowing. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open your LinkedIn applications first, of course. And now just go ahead to your profile at the top left in the corner of your screen. And after, here at the bottom you will see the settings option. Just go ahead, and if you wanna block someone without them knowing, you just have to make your profile by private mode first. So just go ahead to this visibility options. Now in this visibility page, we'll see here the profile viewing options. Just go ahead and make it private mode like this, guys, the third options. And if you wanna block someone, you just have to go to that someone's profile. I'm gonna go back, and here for example I'm gonna block this one here, guys, this person. This is only for example. Here you will see the three dot icon. Just go ahead and tap on this report or block, and now just tap on this first option, which is block, and yeah, now tap on the block button here at the bottom, and this profile didn't know that you blocked them. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.